everyone, welcome back to the Barndo channel. I'm Ryan Kirsch with 1845 Barndominiums, and we're back here in Roxborough, North Carolina. I wanted to show you the Kern Kamp build. This is a 2-bedroom, 2-bath. We showed you a little bit in the past in some of the early stages, and we have made some progress. We want to show that to you today. We are 1,428 square feet. This one is Hawaiian blue exterior, charcoal gray, wainscot, and patio and trim. Come on in, let's check it out. So here in the living area, we stuck with 10-foot ceilings. It gives us a vault space of over 15 feet. Even in the small footprint, it really maximizes the kind of the feel inside. It allows us to kind of move forward with a grand entrance and a grand space in such a small footprint. I'm really excited about the way this one turned out. I wanted to show off these windows. Client chose Zuko European casement windows. These are all the way from Weissenfels, Germany. These particular ones have a simulated wood grain PVC interior, white PVC exterior. The way these operate, they kind of serve two purposes. One, they'll do a typical casement mechanism like that, give a little bit of venting inside the home. You can lock them in place, of course, and then they open up all the way for plenty of fresh air out here in the country. So pretty cool windows. So a simple but neat feature on the ceiling lighting the client chose. These lights will come on full bright, of course. They also have a night light mode. Just the trims will light up. Allows for a little bit of light. So you can see we've got cabinetry in. We are waiting on countertop templating. That'll be done here shortly. Flooring and trim will be next as well. And we will continue to move towards the finished trades here in this build. So this is bedroom number 2, also known as the sewing room. You can see we added a few extra outlets for the client as she's got quite a bit of sewing equipment, and she'll be able to jump into her hobby here and do all the things she loves to do here in her sewing room. So master bedroom, more of the same here, 10-foot ceilings, the Zuko windows all around, and this one will be getting ready for flooring here shortly as well. Obviously still some work to do, but this will be a 5x5 zero-entry curbless shower with the rainfall head up top. Tile will be coming shortly. As we enter the master closet, one feature I'd like to point out was an idea of the client down here below. She's got a pass-through feature. There'll be some cabinetry here. This will allow clothing from the laundry room, master closet, to pass through to the bathroom and back. It's a pretty neat feature built into the cabinetry here in the master closet. So we are in the utility area here. So we'll have laundry appliances, stand-up freezer, little mudroom bench as you enter from the side door, countertops and a sink basin here. Small utility room here. So water filtration and the electrical panel will live here. So making the full turn, this is bathroom number 2, full bath. Got a standard walk-in shower there, and toilet, and will be a vanity here at some point. That brings us back into the opposite end of the kitchen. And just off the kitchen here is, of course, the pantry. Some cabinetry in there. We also have attic access here in this utility area. So as we exit this utility area in the house, we'll walk out to the what will be the screened-in porch. Be a great area to host, to barbecue, cook out, especially in those rainy North Carolina summers. As I mentioned, this is a bit of a smaller footprint house, but the client chose to add quite a bit of square footage to the outside. This is just shy of 500 square feet. Great area to entertain, to host, and to just spend some time outside. In addition to the house, we've put together about a 600 square foot shop for the client here. This has got a 10x10 roll-up door on its way. You can see the client started to fill it up already with some of his tools and things. And then he's also got a little bit of DIY project. He's gonna add a cover over this front concrete apron here to protect the front of the home from the elements. Yeah, on the shop, we matched the colors to the house. Again, it's Hawaiian blue, charcoal trim. This one's a single slope roof, as opposed to the typical gable that's on the home. This particular build is a custom design. If you've been on our website, you'll see quite a few options for plans. We can offer those standard plans. We can also design anything that you'd like. We have the ability to turn even a sketch on a napkin into a barndominium floor plan, and we can work through that with our design team.